Hari Om. I'm keeping side this pan or tambul. You can see the flower of this. So another slok. Chin vrittir bhijatasya maner grihit trigrihana grahotsu tatastat janata samapatti. When all the cleast and cleast propensities of the mind of a yogi are subdued, his consciousness corresponds to or becomes identical with the Surat. Surat means the eyes of the mind, forever with God or his name. So it becomes just like the aesthetic jewel of very high order, which assumes the same color of the object before which it is placed. In this area, you can see in the outside, there are lots of sphatic are here in the ground. You can find, you can search. Okay. So the perception of receiver, the act of receiving and the received is called sampragyat samadhi. In it, the devotee remains aware of his state or of his position and condition. Now he throws light on the next step. So we'll discuss in the next sutra. Next sutra of Maharshi Patanjali Yoga Sutra, 42nd. Tatra Sabdarth Gyan Vikalpa Sankirna Savitarka Samapatti. So deeply understand the things. What Patanjali says. In the Samapatti or Sampragyat Samadhi, there is a Samadhi known as Savitarka Samadhi, in which the mind is allowed with the option of the word Shabd, its purport and perception. People hear in this world a variety of words and try to draw their meaning or purport to achieve the knowledge of things, but it does not lead to any sort of samadhi. In fact, when the viewer and the view get unified and the divine inspiration is granted by God, then it is called Shabd or word. Sant Kabir says, Shabd mara gir pada, Shabd chudaya raj. जिन जिन शब्द विवेक किया तिन्हीं के सारे तिन्हीं के सर गयो काज. The moment shabd or word or the divine inspiration is comprehended, the devotee becomes non-existent and his identity is dissolved. I am the knower. I do meditation. Such egoistic feelings drops down. The word is so powerful that people renounced their royal lives as trash and whoever thought over it. They achieved perfection. They crossed the barriers of life. Shabd bina Shruti Andhri means if anyone contemplates and catches the form of the self, but without the inquiring, scrutinizing word, divine inspiration, the Surat is blind, eyes of the mind. Shabd bina Shruti Andhri कहो कहाँ लो जाए. द्वार न पाए शब्द का फिर भटका खाए. Very beautiful. If the source of word has not been traced out, all the efforts of fixing the mind and manipulations of yoga turns fruitless. It might dash one down again and again, This is the divine pronouncement. Whatever vistas are transmitted by the weaver, God Himself, they are aimed at consumption or use during sadhana and they lead to salvation. Shabd or word signifies the veritable vistas or panoramas and they are presented by the weaver. If the mind is tranquil, the word is seen or heard during contemplation. The secured scrutiny of such word, its proper examination, efforts to know the meaning and obtain the knowledge, altogether are known as Savitark Samadhi of mind. At such a stage, no doubt God is not there. Only Sampragyat Samadhi exists. But the alternate presence of God is very well confirmed. As Kabir Das ji says, Shabd so priti kare so pave. Shabd so priti kare so pave. Its higher stage is Nivitark state, which he explains in the next sutra. So we'll explain the next sutra. Hari Om.